Laban lang. Kaya na nimo. Sino na kayo na? Tanan nimong naagian, sa tanan nimong maagian, makasugakod ka, nakasugakod ka, malingkawas ka, nakalingkawas na. So kung nakaya ganini mo overcome ang uban, saan lang ka nang imong gina-experience karon? Saan lang imong mga ginahuna-una karon? Unsa may problema ning makalingkawas ka? All is well. God will provide. Always remember that you are blessed. You are blessed. Keep that in mind. Dili sa'yo na yung experience karon pero makalingkawas ka. Kaya na nimo. May nagadepende nimo. Kung wala, okay ra. Just have patience. You will see your worth at the end. It will be worth it. God bless.